In this video, we're going to discuss how to set the blank of your spectrophotometer. The spectrophotometers we'll be using are shown in the figure below. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is turn on your spectrophotometer. There's a switch on the back of the machine. Make sure you flip it so the vertical line is pushed in. The startup or initiation step of your spectrophotometer takes about 2 minutes, and you're going to hear a lot of noises. It sounds like grinding and gears turning. Once the machine has gone through the initiation phase, it will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes before the machine comes up to temperature. You're going to want to hold off doing any experiments to allow the machine to warm up. Once the machine has warmed up, you're going to press the A/T/C button to select between absorbance or percent transmission. The current mode will appear in the display with an A or T behind the numbers. The next step is to select the wavelength by pushing the up or down nanometer buttons. If you hold the buttons in, the wavelength will change much faster. Once you've selected the proper wavelength, the next thing you're going to do is prepare your sample. You're going to place your blank sample or control sample into a cuvette by filling at least half of the cuvette with the sample. Be very careful not to touch the clear sides of the cuvette, as fingerprints will impede the light passing through the sample. Once you've filled your cuvette, you're then going to insert the cuvette into the holder, making sure that the arrow is facing toward you. The cuvette is going to fit about halfway to 2/3 into the holder. Don't force it down any farther than it will go. You'll know that you've inserted it far enough because only the arrow will be sticking out. Once you've done this, you're going to close the chamber door. When that's complete, you're going to press the 0 ABS/100% T button to set the blank. This whole process takes about 15 seconds. Again, the machine will make a series of clicking and grinding noises. It is important that you let the machine do its work and do not open the chamber until this is complete. Once the process is complete, when you look at the display, you will see that the 0 has been successfully set. If you're using absorbance like we use typically in this lab, you will see 0.000A on the display. Once you've confirmed that the 0 has worked, you can open the chamber and remove the cuvette. When you do this, the numbers will change. That is okay. Remember, the 0 is set with the blank in place. Once you remove it, that changes the setting. However, the machine is still ready to go.